May nakita akong rep, kuya. 6 door, matipid sa kuryente.
Saan mo naman nakuha yan?
Tingnan mo. Panoorin natin, ha?
6 door.
Ang sinis.
Panasonic Philippines now offers the first ever 6-door multi-glass refrigerator that is the first in the country. And we also ensure in the market our bottom freezer and top freezer, which are mid-capacities. Okay, so this is the skeletal model of our F5LG. Here, as you can see, this is the door sensor here, and of course there's the internal sensor for the room temperature and the storage sensor as well on the other side. So these Econavi sensors are Panasonic original, and it is only in the Panasonic Philippines that it has this kind of technology, and a global first also to have. For 6-door multi-glass, it is basically a spacious storage refrigerator. It also have a -3 degrees prime fresh compartment, and of course the energy efficient Econavi and inverter functions as well. Our 6-door multi-glass refrigerator is actually the first in the country, and basically at the moment there's no other brands that cater this kind of refrigerator, and this is a Panasonic original and a unique refrigerator type. So this is how spacious the refrigerator. It has the prime fresh, wherein you can have all your foods and fruits, no need to defrost, easy cooking, and of course you have in here an independent ice compartment that is a Panasonic unique feature as well. This is another soft freezing compartment wherein you can put in there small items that you don't want to be solid or frozen. This is a freezer compartment. It's very spacious, and at the bottom is our vegetable compartment. If you can see, this is a full open refrigerator, so you can put all your fruits and vegetables at one glance. Basically, that's it. Okay, so basically this 6-door multi-glass is a sophisticated full flat glass design, and that basically the -3 degrees prime fresh is something that is unique in our consumers. Currently, what we have is 6 types of eco sensors, and equipped also with inverter compressors.
Order mo ako niyan, Jun.
Yes, kuya.
Ha?
Para dito?
Dito, kuya. Dito, kuya. Kapalitan.
Yes. Naman ang bahay.
Dadali natin dito.
Tsaka sa bahay namin, oh my gosh, you're so
Tapos bayaran mo na rin, ha?
Bago dito, testing muna sa bahay namin.
Pwede.
Baka
Lalo
sila
may deduction.
Ano na lang?
1 year to pay.
Kuya, alis muna ako.
Hindi ka kakain.
Hindi ko gumana itong ano eh.
Mahal pala nun, 89,000.
89,000, kuya. Kuya, hindi gumana sa soli ko.
Ha?
Soli ko muna.
Ayaw mandar?
Hindi gumana eh.
Talaga? Totoo ba yan?
Bye.
Kasi bumili rin ako nun eh. Hindi ko alam kung gumagana.
Kain muna ako.